Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel where you learn English through simple and interesting conversations. Today's story is called Alex's First Day at the New Office. In this story, you will learn useful English words and expressions used in the workplace. You will hear natural conversations about meeting new coworkers, talking to a manager, learning new tasks, and solving problems at work. This story is designed especially for English learners, so listen carefully and try to learn new vocabulary along the way. Now, let's follow Alex on his first day at the office. Let's begin.
Good morning, Alex. You're awake early today.
Good morning, Emma. I couldn't sleep very well.
Are you nervous about your first day?
A little. Starting a new job is always exciting and stressful.
Don't worry. You'll do great.
I hope so.
Breakfast is ready.
Thank you.
The children are still sleeping.
That's good. I don't want to wake them up.
What time do you need to leave?
Around 8 o'clock.
You still have some time.
Yes, I want to arrive early.
That's a good idea.
First impressions are important.
Exactly.
I think today will be a good day.
I think so too. Which shirt are you going to wear?
How about this blue one?
It looks very professional.
Great.
Don't forget your ID card and documents.
They're in my bag.
Perfect.
Do I look okay?
You look great.
Thank you.
You seem more confident now.
Talking to you always helps.
That's what I'm here for. Look, the children are awake.
Good morning, kids.
Good morning, Dad.
Good morning.
Are you going to work today?
Yes, it's my first day.
Wow, that's exciting.
I think so too.
Good luck, Dad.
Thank you.
Bring us some good news later.
I'll try.
Have a great day.
You too.
Good morning, sir. Where would you like to go?
Good morning. Please take me to Global Solutions office.
Sure.
Is the traffic heavy today?
Not too bad.
That's good.
Are you going to work?
Yes, today is my first day.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
I hope everything goes well.
Me too.
Welcome to Global Solutions.
Thank you.
Are you our new employee?
Yes, I am.
Great. Please sign in here.
Of course.
Thank you. Please have a seat for a moment.
All right.
Good morning, Alex.
Good morning.
I'm Michael, your manager. Welcome to the team.
Thank you. It's nice to meet you.
How was your trip here?
It was smooth.
Glad to hear that. Were you nervous this morning?
A little, but I'm feeling much better now.
That's perfectly normal.
I'm excited to start.
Excellent. Let me show you around the office.
I'd love that.
You'll meet the team and learn about your role today.
Sounds great.
Everyone, I'd like you to meet Alex.
Hello, everyone.
Welcome, Alex.
Thank you.
I'm Sarah. I work in the marketing department.
Nice to meet you, Sarah.
I'm Daniel from customer support.
Nice to meet you, too.
And I'm Lisa from Human Resources.
Nice to meet you.
If you need any help, just ask.
I appreciate that.
We're a friendly team.
That's great to hear.
Let me show you the break room and meeting area.
Everything looks very organized.
We try to keep things simple and efficient.
I already feel comfortable here.
That's exactly what we like to hear.
Alex, this is your desk.
It looks great.
Here's your computer and work materials.
Thank you.
Let me show you how our system works.
Okay.
First, log in using this account.
Like this?
Exactly.
This seems easy to understand.
You'll learn quickly.
I hope so.
You've already picked it up fast.
That's encouraging.
By the way, it's almost lunchtime.
Really? Time went by quickly.
Would you like to join us for lunch?
Sure, I'd love to.
Let's go to the cafeteria.
Sounds good.
How are you enjoying your first day so far?
It's been great.
That's good to hear.
Everyone has been very helpful.
We try our best.
I can definitely see that.
Alex, how is everything going? Pretty well, but I have a small problem. What happened? I can't access one of the files I need. Let me take a look. Thank you. I think your account needs additional permission. Oh, I see. Don't worry, I'll fix it right away. I appreciate your help. No problem. Try opening it again now. Great, it's working. Perfect. Thank you so much. You're welcome. By the way, you've done a great job today. Thank you. You learned very quickly and adapted well. I tried my best. We're glad you're here. I'm happy to be part of the team. See you tomorrow, Alex. See you tomorrow.
Welcome home.
Thank you.
How was your first day?
It was wonderful.
Really?
Yes, everyone was very friendly.
That's great news.
I learned many new things today.
The children were waiting for your update.
Then let's tell them everything.
Come sit with us.
Love to.
So, was your first day a success?
Yes, it definitely was.
We're proud of you.
Thank you. I couldn't have done it without your support.